HW News. For more than 2 months, India is under a lockdown, and even today, migrant workers are walking on the roads trying to reach their hometowns. If we have to define the corona lockdown, then the migrant crisis will be the highlight of it. As the migrant crisis worsened, the politics also began. After the bus politics between the UP government and the Congress party, the Yogi Adityanath government has taken a decision targeting the opposition over the migrant crisis. He said that anybody who wants to employ workers from Uttar Pradesh needs to take permission or prior approval from the Uttar Pradesh government. He was addressing a webinar when he said that if any state needs manpower, the UP government will give the manpower social security. We will give them insurance and security, but without our permission, our people cannot be taken by other states. Now, his decision apparently stemmed from the poor condition in which migrants from Uttar Pradesh are living in other states. He said that state governments are not taking proper care of the migrant workers from his state. The Chief Minister also said that the government will carry out skill mapping of the migrant workers who are returning from different states and will stand by them wherever they go, be it other states or any other countries. 23 lakh migrant workers have returned to Uttar Pradesh so far. But his specific criticism was targeted at Maharashtra government. He accused the Shiv Sena Congress NCP government in Maharashtra of deceiving the migrant workers who, he said, built the state with their blood and sweat. He even said the humanity will never pardon Chief Minister of Maharashtra Uddhav Thackeray for this inhuman act. While Yogi Adityanath government is blaming the Maharashtra government for not taking care of migrants, we thought we should list out some of the decisions that Yogi Adityanath government has taken with regards to migrant workers who are returning to his state. Earlier this month, the Yogi Adityanath government had suspended major labor laws in Uttar Pradesh. The government had formulated and cleared an ordinance that suspended most of the labor laws for a period of 3 years. The decision was taken to revive the state's economy that has been disrupted due to the coronavirus mandated lockdown by luring the industrialist. The ordinance covers all the existing industries and manufacturing units as well as the new ones that are coming up in a few years. All labor laws related to labor unions, settling of work disputes, regulations for working conditions, contracts, among others, were suspended for 3 years in Uttar Pradesh under this particular ordinance. Now, this includes the Minimum Wages Act, the Maternity Benefit Act, the Equal Remuneration Act, the Trade Union Act and the Industrial Employment Act, the Industrial Disputes Act and the Factories Act, etc. These labor laws that protect the rights of the workers, migrant workers, were suspended in Uttar Pradesh with an ordinance from the UP cabinet that has a nod from the UP Chief Minister. Now, we all are witness to the bus politics in the state as well. The Congress party had extended a helping hand and had offered to provide 1,000 buses to bring migrant workers back in Uttar Pradesh. For 2 days, the UP government sat on the proposal. When the Chief Minister finally gave a go-ahead, the police did not let the buses enter the state. The administration then asked the Congress party to provide details of the buses and also asked them to send those buses to Lucknow. Meanwhile, Congress sat on protest. On the UP border, it also parked the buses it had arranged, but permission was still not given. Then the UP government published a document stating that out of 1,000, only 879 were the buses and rest others were two-wheelers or trucks, etc. The permission wasn't clear and the empty buses which could have taken the migrant workers to their hometowns in different parts of Uttar Pradesh returned without carrying any migrant worker. Whether it is irony or hypocrisy, you decide. Moving on, Yogi Adityanath's statement drew sharp response from Maharashtra politicians. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut said that Yogi Adityanath might not have liked the chants of Uddhav Thackeray Zindabad that migrant workers from Uttar Pradesh shouted while leaving in trains. He also said that state can provide videos as to how they took care of the migrant workers in camps. He further said that the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister must pay attention to arrangements of food and water for migrant workers. He was indicating at the viral video in which the migrant workers returning to Uttar Pradesh claim that after they returned to their villages, they were not even provided water, whereas when they were in Maharashtra, the government took good care of them. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Navanirman Sena chief Raj Thackeray and the cousin of Uddhav Thackeray had a blistering reply for Yogi Adityanath. He said, workers will have to seek the consent of the Maharashtra government if they want to work in Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government needs to take such things very seriously. Any worker coming here to work should get duly registered with the government as well as the local police. These workers should submit their documents and photographs as well, he said in a statement. The government needs to undertake such an exercise very diligently. Now, Congress leader Sachin Sawant accused UP Chief Minister of engaging in petty politics as well. Now, politics or no politics, the crisis of migrant workers is very real. As we had spoken to several migrant workers in the past as well, many of them told us that they will not return to the cities at least for next 5 to 6 months. But what will happen when they do want to return to the cities to find their livelihood? Think about this. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.